guys, welcome to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina and welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. So for Day 4, we're in the New York loft house and I wanted to change out my doll's bedroom and give her more of a Christmas feel since Christmas is coming soon. Right now her bed's looking very much full, so first thing we're going to do is take everything out. Everything on her bed is pretty much clear, so let's go ahead and make her some new Christmas bedding. I bought towel set from TJ Maxx that I'm going to be using as the comforter. I like to use towel sets as comforters for my doll dioramas because for one, it's a little more inexpensive for me because it's like $4.99 and you get a lot of variety. So for the bed, I want to use this fabric right here. And for the pillows, I want to use this one right here. And then we're going to be using some of the other ones that already that I had for the fall set she had because that could carry over into Christmas. So let's go ahead and make some no-sew pillows. So I cut my 2 pillows that I'm going to make with the striped material. And then I decided to cut the cloth with the Christmas decorations in half. So what I'm going to do at the rough edge right here, I'm just going to fold it like this, and then I'm going to go ahead and just hot glue it right here so it won't show when I put it on the bed. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and put this to the side because our comforter is pretty much ready. The 2 cutouts I did of the decorative pillow, I'm gonna open one up and just hot glue the corners and leave one opening. I'm also gonna do this side right here circulating nice, and then I'm gonna flip it over and just press down gently. And do the same to the opposite side. Okay, so I'm gonna leave these to the side and then do the same thing with these 2 striped pillows. So I have some fluff here, and in my opening I'm just gonna stuff the pillow with the fluff. And then when I feel like it's full to where I like it a lot, I just go ahead and seal the end with hot glue. So I'm just gonna hot glue across here and then just seal it just like that. All right, so there we have one pillow, and don't worry about that fringe because we're gonna cut it off once it dries. And then as for the reindeer pillow, we're gonna stuff that one. It all depends on how full you want your pillows to be. Me, I kind of like the little flat parts around the pillow, so I only like to fluff the middle. That's my personal preference. Everyone is different. You just do it to however your liking is. Okay, and now the next pillow. take my scissors and just cut off the rough edges that are sticking up to make it look more even and straight. So I'm just cutting that part off like that. All right. Okay, so they all look good to me. So let's go ahead and decorate my doll's room. What we're gonna do, we're gonna lay down this comforter. All right, I think that looks really good. All right, so let's go ahead and add her original back pillows because they go with every season. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put those back. I'm gonna add the pillows that match the comforter on the side that I like the most. I'm gonna add the striped pillow in front of that. And then in the very Christmas ornament that I got from Target. So that's how the bed's going to be looking. I'm going to put a table right here. Table that I got from Etsy shop a while back. I'm gonna go ahead and put that as a side table. And then I'm going to add this reindeer ornament I got from Target. I just cut the little string off and I'm gonna add it to the table right here as a decoration. I think that is so cute. Finish up the bedroom. I want to put a little throw blanket, so I just cut this rectangular piece to the size that I would like it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and hem the sides with my hot glue gun across here and across here. Made the throw. I'm just gonna throw it across here. I think that is so pretty because I use this throw a lot over my doll when I do have her kind of laying in this room. So I think this is super cute. And also I can't forget her teddy bear. So I got this teddy bear for free from this doll shop. So I'm gonna put that there, and then I'm gonna put her other bear right here. I think that'd be so cute because, you know, I love some animals on the bed. I think that's really cute. The final result of my doll's bedroom. I absolutely love it. I think it's so beautiful and it looks very festive, and I love the color scheme. And let me know in the comments what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram to see pictures of my doll in this bedroom. And I'll see you in Vlogmas Day 5. Bye.